Hi, I'm Jen, and I want to show you something that changes how meeting intelligence works. First, let me explain what you're about to see. Zoom has something called Surface apps. These are applications that run directly inside the Zoom client during a meeting. Not a bot that joins your call, not a browser tab you switch to. The app lives right there in your Zoom client, in the meeting sidebar with real-time access to the conversation as it happens. The technology behind this is RTMS, Realtime Media Streams. It's Zoom's API that gives developers access to live transcripts as people speak, with less than 1 second of latency. Words will appear in your app almost the moment they're said. What we built is called Arlo. It's a reference implementation. So this is a working example that shows what's possible when you combine Surface apps with real-time transcription data and AI. The AI isn't waiting until the meeting ends. It's analyzing the conversation as it unfolds, surfacing action items, flagging important moments, generating documentation in real time. For developers, this opens up use cases that post-meeting transcriptions simply can't address. I'm going to show you how this works in a real meeting. You'll see the transcript appear live, you'll watch AI features respond in real time, and you'll see how everything connects to stored context from previous conversations. Let's jump in. Support calls are high stakes. The customer might be frustrated. The agent needs to have answers fast, and everything needs to be documented for compliance purposes. What if your Surface app could help with all three at once? I'm on a support call with a customer having integration issues. Watch the sentiment meter on the right. It tracks how they're feeling in real time. Thanks for calling. I understand you're having trouble with the API integration?
I really am. Our integration completely stopped working yesterday. We've been using it for months. This is affecting our whole team, and we have a deadline tomorrow.
I completely understand how frustrating that is. Let me look into this. It sounds like it might be related to your API key rotation. Keys rotate every 90 days for security.
The keys rotate automatically? Nobody told us that.
I apologize for the confusion. The good news is the fix is quick. I can walk you through regenerating your keys right now. I just need 2 minutes.
Oh, that's it? Yes, please.
Great. Go to your settings panel, then API, then click regenerate. I can wait. Now let's head over to the transcript, and you'll see that this is happening in real time. So you can see our conversation is already happening here, but just to show the real-time nature of the conversation, you can see what I'm saying now populate at the bottom of the screen. With transcripts, they are captured by utterance. So that means once I take a breath or a pause, that's when it will populate in real time. As we identified the problem and offered a solution, the tone shifted. The AI picked up that in real time, supervisors could get alerts when sentiment drops or track resolution patterns across calls. The Agent Assist panel surfaced relevant knowledge base articles automatically. It heard API not working and pulled troubleshooting guides. The agent doesn't have to search, the answers come right to them. There's also a compliance checklist tracking required disclosures and escalation alerts if issues need to go to engineering. Every call becomes both a support interaction and a training data point. That's the power of RTMS, real-time transcript data delivered as the conversation happens, not hours later. What you do with that data is completely up to you. You could build AI features inside a Surface app like Arlo. You could pipe transcripts into your own backend systems. You could train models on meeting patterns. You could automate documentation, you could trigger workflows, replace meeting bots entirely. The data is yours the moment it's spoken. Arlo is open source. It's not an actual product. It's a reference implementation of RTMS showing what's possible. The code is available to you, and any developer who wants to build their own meeting intelligence application can hopefully use Arlo as inspiration. We have demos for other verticals as well: healthcare, sales, support, legal, and general note-taking. Links to those are in the description below. Whatever your use case, RTMS gives you real-time foundation. Thanks for watching.